Hello and welcome to another installment of Mr. ACAD tutorials. Today we'll be learning how to add lights to our different structures in Inventor. So here I have a gingerbread house and I'll be adding some lights to make it look a lot more fancy. And like always, if you find these videos helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So the first thing I want to do is go to the Environments tab up here in Inventor. And you want to go to Inventor Studio. Once we're in Inventor Studio, you'll see the lighting kind of changes. So what we're going to do to add our own lights, we're going to go to local light right here. So you're going to click on that. And you have two options. You can do a point light, which is like a light bulb. It shines in multiple directions. Or you can do a spotlight, which is similar to a flashlight. It's going to be focused on one target. So for this one, I'm going to start with the spotlight first. And I'm going to select my target. So I'm going to make a light. And my target's going to be the bottom of this window right here. And then let me go ahead and zoom out. Now, Inventor's asking me, where do I want that light to be? I can go up there, or we can go down here. So I'm going to go ahead and make it right up below my house, right there. And what I can do is, now if I hit the second tab over here, I can change the intensity of that light. I can make it brighter, I can make it, change the color as well. You can go over here to yellow, and then press OK. You can see how my light turns yellow, or I can go to pink, press OK, and then my light turns pink. I can increase intensity. Also on this third tab over here, in this third tab, this is hotspot. So this indicates how wide of an angle you want your flashlight to be. So let me go ahead and change this 50 to 90 here. You see it got wider. This hotspot is the main focus. So we can make that as a little bit wider as well. You get to decide. I'll let you play around with that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave mine perhaps at 30 and the fallout, let's do 70. I want a little bit wide, but not too wide. And once you're done with that, you can press OK. And if you go over here to the left hand side with a little arrow, go to light 1, right click, and you can turn off the visibility so you can still see the light but not the little gray parts of it. So there's the first light, that's a spotlight. Now let's go ahead and do a point light. So let's go ahead and do a point light up here. So go to local lights, point light, same thing. So target. In this case, I want to go ahead and make it go, let's see, just pick this green one here. So I'm going to go up and same thing, position. Where do I want that position to be? I'm going to go ahead and down here. And you can see it's very bright. So in this one, because it's a Christmas light, I want to go ahead and make it not as bright. So the intensity, I'm going to bring it down. Just a little bit more. That looks pretty good. Change the color to green. It's okay. Right. I still might be a little too bright, so let's go ahead and bring it down a little bit. Okay, you choose whatever feels good for your drawing. That looks good. Press OK. Same thing, go right here to the right hand side and hide the visibility. You can see we have a little Christmas light that's shining green in all directions. You see it's down here, shining up here in the chimney a little bit, shining in all directions. And then we also have a spotlight that's very focused. And that's how you do lighting. The last thing you want to do to make it look really nice is up here in the top left, you go to render. And then you want to go ahead and press render. I'm not going to do it right now because I have several programs running in the background, and so it's going to crash my computer here, but you press render. And it's going to give you a really nice picture with all the lightings, make it look really nice.